Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got the Ice Cream Beauty bag and box spoilers for the month of September, and I can't wait to share them with you. So really quick before we jump into the spoilers, if you like these types of videos, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because I do upload at least twice a week, but it is on different days. And just a quick little side note, if you haven't entered into my giveaway, I'm going to have that video linked down in the description box so you can go enter. I am giving away one of my eyeshadow palettes that I collaborated with Eyeshadow Cosmetics, and it is the Beach Please palette. So if you didn't get a chance to get her, definitely make sure you go over and enter. Really quick, if you're not familiar with Ice Cream Beauty, it is a monthly makeup subscription bag or box. So the bag is $12.50 a month plus shipping, and the box is $25 a month, free shipping. So in the bag, you're going to get 3 to 5 full-size items. And in the box, you're going to get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette. And if you use code Michelle10, that'll save you 10% off of your first subscription order. It's not a code that I make anything off of. It's just a code to save you a little bit of money. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the spoilers. I'm going to start off with the bag first. So for the first spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty bag, it's going to be a product from Bella Pierre. And this is going to be their Eye Look Essentials. I love this because you're going to be getting an eyeshadow quad, an eyeliner, an eyeshadow primer, and also a lip gloss. These kits are really nice. I've gotten one of these kits before and I really do enjoy Bella Pierre's products. Spoiler number 2 for the bag is going to be a product from Rachel Couture, and this is their Sass Lip Gloss. And then spoiler number 3 for the Ice Cream Beauty bag is going to be another product from Rachel Couture, and this is going to be a translucent powder. So I mean, honestly, for $12.50 plus shipping, I think it's like $4. So I think your total is like $17 or something like that for the bag. That's a pretty good deal. You're getting quite a few products. I mean, just in the little kit itself, you're getting 4 different products. And like I said, I really do like Bella Pierre products, so I do think that this is a pretty good value for the Ice Cream Beauty bag. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the spoilers for the box. So of course, I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And this is going to be a collaboration palette between Gourmand Girls and Ice Cream Beauty. And this is a beautiful palette. This is the Secret Grove palette. So cute. It's a 12-pan palette. You're going to be getting some greens, yellows, browns, pinks. It is a very fall time palette. Again, congratulations on your collaboration palette. I am so happy for you. Okay, so spoiler number 2 for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is their Clean Canvas Eye Base. I have heard so many great things about this Clean Canvas Eye Base. So it is so cool that we are going to be getting it in the Ice Cream Beauty box. Spoiler number 3 for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from ZC Cosmetics, and this is going to be a liquid lipstick. Now there is 5 different shade variations, so everybody is going to be receiving one of the 5 shades. Now I have tried ZC Cosmetics highlighter, and that is stunning. It looks like a little spaceship. It's super cute. It goes on super smooth and it looks beautiful. I really do like their highlighter. So spoiler number 4 is going to be a product from So Rich, and this is their Glow Light highlighter, and the color is All of the Glow. So it looks super pretty. And of course, you know, I always say you can never have too many highlighters in my opinion. And for the 5th and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from Chantico Beauty. I love Chantico Beauty. And this is their Duochrome eyeshadows. Now everybody is going to be receiving one of these eyeshadows this month. Now this is the new shade with the new pan. Some of the ones came broken in June, so they came up with a new pan design that's meant to prevent breaking without sacrificing their creamy texture. So that's really cool. Hopefully we don't get these broken. So I'm excited for this month's box. Of course, I'm most excited for the eyeshadow palette, but that's nothing new. I'm always excited for the eyeshadow palette. But as always, let me know, what are you most excited for out of the box or the bag this month? I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.